Nicholas from SylMaster, and today we'd like to demonstrate SylShield abrasion resistant wrap. SylShield is 3 times the thickness of a standard SylWrap HD wrap and is therefore provides very good abrasion resistance during directional drilling or impact and protection during burying of pipes that are laid in trenches. SylShield is activated by dipping in water for around 10 seconds to allow the water to infiltrate into the bandage. SylShield is applied by wrapping once around the pipe and then continuing to wrap across the pipe with a 50% overlap. Additional water is added as the wrap proceeds to assist with the curing. To contain the resin within the bandage as it cures, we're going to wrap it with a stretch film across the length of the pipe. During the process, gases are formed within the wrap, so these need to be allowed to escape either by pricking with a roller or any other sharp object. On removing the wrap, you can see the rock-hard protection that's been afforded by this process.